Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be making this Elmer's cloud slime. I got the slime kit from Michael's yesterday. So let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to go like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I upload. So let's get into it. So get your bowl, your mixing tool, your bottle of glue, your magical cloud dust, your activator, and your food coloring. So let me open this up. Mix that up. Then take your other bowl, get your magical cloud dust, open the pack up. Let me get the scissors. Alright, now add your water in. Alright, that's all done. Look, this is so soft. So get your bowl that you add your glue in, then take your snow, then add it into your bowl, and then add a lot, then mix it up. Alright, now I'm going to add my food coloring again. This is a really beautiful color. Alright. This is kind of stiff because of the snow. Mix. Alright, it's time to activate. So here I have my Elmer's magical liquid activator. I like this activator. Don't add a lot. Do what I'm doing, like this. Add a little bit of the activator into this little lid. Then I poured it into the bowl. Let's see. Still kind of stiff. I think it needs a little bit more. Let's add a little bit more. I think that's enough. Alright. I think I had too much of that instant snow in. Alright. Bye guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Bye. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to go like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I upload. Bye.